Now paper number 309. SBI Clerk Prelim, paper number 309. Now question numbers 66 onwards will come under this reasoning section. Now in this one, how many boxes are there? Now 8 boxes are there and they are placed one above the other, isn't it? Now what is the first information we have? Now there is some 8 boxes placed one above the other. Not more than 2 boxes are placed above Q. Now tell me about this Q. How many boxes are there? Not more than Q. Maybe 2 or lesser than 2. Then what are the different possibilities we have? Now if you take Q at this place, maybe there are 2 boxes above this Q, or there is only 1 box above this Q, or there is no box above this Q. Isn't it? And so these are the possibilities we have. And there are 3 boxes between Q and T. In between Q and T, how many boxes are there? There are exactly 3 boxes. Now here again, there are 3 boxes between Q and T. And here also there are 3 boxes between Q and T. And next one, and 2 boxes between U and S. S is placed below T. S is placed below T, and there are 2 boxes between U and S. Now 2 boxes between U and S. Now if you take one possibility here, isn't it? Now S is placed below this one. Now if S is at this place, there are 2 boxes, U can be here, that is one possibility. Are you talking? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes were there, isn't it? The next one, if you take this case, no, if you take S at this place, 1, 2, U will be here, that is one possibility. Or in the next one, if you take S at this place, 1, 2, U can be here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these are the different possibilities we have. And here also you can have S at any one of these 3 places. The next one, and U does not place immediately above T. And U is not immediately above this T. And this case is ruled out. U is immediately above this T. Now in this case, S is here and U is at this place. And U is immediately above this T. Hence S cannot be at this place. S cannot be here, S is here. And next one, P is placed immediately above V. Now P is placed immediately above V. What is the only possibility we have at this place? P is here. P and V were at this place. Now in this case, P and V adjacent to each other, not possible. And next one, P is placed immediately above V. And R is placed above W. R is above W, but before this V. R is above this W, but before this V. And so where this R is above this W, and below this V, W and V will be here. Done with this, what is the final arrangement we have? PV, QR, UW, TS. Then which of the following box is placed immediately above this W? Immediately above this W, what is that box? U. U, that is given in choice 3, question number 66. And how many boxes are there in between P and R? Now in between P and R, how many? There are only 2 boxes, that is choice 2, 67 and 68. The number of boxes between Q and W. Here in between Q and W, how many boxes are there? There are only 2 boxes. In between Q and W, there are 2 boxes. Is same as the number of boxes between. Now P and Q, there is only 1 box. V and U, there are 2 boxes. And so what is your answer? Choice 2, question number 68. Then 69. Which of the following box is placed immediately above this P? There is no box, that is choice 4. 69 and 70, and 4 out of the following is nothing but an odd one out. Between P and Q there is only 1 box, and W and S there is 1 box, and V and R there is 1 box, and Q and T, how many boxes? There are 3 boxes. R and W again there is 1 box, except choice 4, and in the remaining there is exactly 1 box between these 2. Choice 4 is the odd one. And this is about question number 66 to 70. Then 71 onwards. Now here, how many persons are there? It is based on parallel rows, and 12 persons were there, and 6 persons in each of these rows, and 6 persons in row 1, and another 6 persons in row 2. Now tell me who are the persons in row 1 here? And 12 cricketers, and row 1 PQRST, URST, and V. They are facing towards south. P, Q, R, S, T and V. And again, now towards north, A, B, C, D and F are the persons who are facing towards north. Then A is third to the right of D. Neither A nor D sits at the extreme ends. A is third to the right of D. Tell me what are the different possibilities we have. A is third to the right of D, A is D is. Neither A nor D is at an extreme ends of the row. And next one, T faces D. T and D are opposite to each other. V does not face A and does not sit at any one of the extreme ends of the row. Hence V cannot be here, cannot be here, cannot be here. How many possibilities we have for this V? There are two possibilities. V can be either here or V can be at the second position from T. 4, 5, 6. And here again there are 6 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now D is here and A is here and T and D are opposite and V can be at this place. Done with this? And there are two possibilities for this V. And V is not an immediate neighbor of T. And V does not face A and does not sit at any one of the extreme. And V is not an immediate neighbor of whom? V is not an immediate neighbor of T. As V is not an immediate neighbor of T, this case is completely ruled out. And next one, B sits at one of the ends of the row. And B is at one of the ends of the row. B can be at the left extreme or B can be at the right extreme. And there are only two persons between B and E. And E does not face V. Hence E cannot be here, which implies that B cannot be at this place. Hence where should this be? B is here. And there are two persons B and E. And E and V are not opposite to each other. And there are two persons between R and Q. Now between R and Q there must be exactly two people. Now between R and Q, if R is here, Q will be here. Or if R is here, Q will be here. This is the only possibility we have. And two persons between R and Q. R is not an immediate neighbor of T. Hence R cannot be at this place. R is not an immediate neighbor of T. As R cannot be here, Q is here, then R is at this place. R is not an immediate neighbor of T, two people between R and T. And next one, and C does not faces V. And C and V cannot be opposite to each other, C is here. If C is here, A, B, C, D, E and F is the person left over. And P is not an immediate neighbor of R, P is at this place. And so P, Q, R, S, T and V, S is here. Done with this? Then next one, how many persons are in between C and A? Now in between C and A there are only 3 people. 3, that is choice 2, question number 71. And who is sitting opposite to A? Opposite to A there is S, choice 3, 72. And 73, who sits third to the left of B? Third to the left of B, that is E, choice 3, 73. And 74, 4 out of the following means odd one out. C, P, R and B. Now C, P, R and B are at the corners and S is not at the corner. And so choice 5 is the answer, question number 74. And 75, and who sits second to the right of the one who faces P? The one who is facing P is C, and second to the right of C is E. E, that is choice 2, question number 75. Clear now? The next one, 76 onwards, it is based on blood relations here. There are only 3 questions given under this. And how many members are there? 6 members are in a family. A is the brother of B can be written like this. A is the brother of B. And C is the sister of A. C is the sister of A. That means A, B and C are siblings to each other. D is the brother of E. E is the daughter of B. Now this E is the daughter of B. And D is the brother of E. D is the brother of E. E is the daughter of B. F is the father of C. Now this F is the father of these 3 persons A, B and C. Done with this? Then who is the uncle of D? D's father or mother is B and B's brother is A. A, that is choice from question number 76. Then 77, how is E related to F? F's son or daughter's daughter. That is granddaughter, choice 3, question number 77. And if H is the father of D, H is the father of D means then B is the mother of D. Hence B and H are married couple. B is a female, H is a male. Then how is A related to H? His wife's brother, spouse's brother, brother-in-law, that is choice 2, question number 78. 78, it is choice 2. Then 79 onwards, now it is based on inequalities. The relation between D and E. Now D is here and E is here. Now C equals to E in the place of C, I can take directly E. Now E lesser than D means D greater than E, definitely true. And next one, the relation between B and E. Now B is here and E is here. C equals to E. B greater than or equals to E is true. Only greater than is false. And so what is your answer? Only one, that is choice 1, 79. Then next one, 80th. Now the relation between S and P. Q equals to S. Now Q and S are one and the same. And S and P. P lesser than or equals to S means S is either greater than or equals to P, but not only greater than. Next one, N and S. S is here, S greater than N, N lesser than S. And so only 2 is to choice 2, question number 80. Then 81, V equals to S. Between S and V, there are two opposite symbols, greater than, lesser than. Hence, no relation can be drawn. Q and M. M again, between M and Q, there are two opposite symbols. Hence, neither one nor two. Choice 4, question number 81. Then 82. Now in this 82, they are based on syllogisms logically follows. All the chocolates or toffees can be written like this. This entire chocolate is a part of this toffee. And no toffee is muffin. No intersection between toffee and a muffin. And at the same time, only a few muffins are dark. Only some of the muffins are dark, but not all. Only some muffins, but not all. No chocolate is muffin. Chocolate is here, muffin is here, definitely true. And some toffees can never be dark. That means some of these toffees can never be dark, and that is also true. Now, these two are negative conclusions that are true. Now, to make them false at least once, then we need to go for alternate diagram. What is a complementary pair to this? No chocolate is muffin. Now we need to prove some of the chocolates are muffin. Chocolate and muffin should be written like this. Then only this conclusion will be false. Is it possible to write like this? No chocolate is, some chocolates are muffin? No. Because if you write muffin like this, no toffee is muffin will become false. And statement invalid, alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Then coming back to this one, some toffees can never be dark. Some toffees can never be dark means now I need to prove all these toffees are dark. All these toffees are dark. Tell me whether I can able to write dark like this or not. Now, this D and M must be intersected. I have intersected like this. This entire M cannot be a part of this D. I have written like this. Hence, I could able to prove all these toffees are a part of this dark, and some toffees can never be dark will become false. Alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. Hence, what is your answer? Only one. That is choice 1, question number 82. Then 83. Only a few gatherings. All summary are gatherings. All summary are gatherings can be written like this, summary and gathering. And next one, only a few gatherings are committees. Only some of the gatherings are committees, but not all. And next one, no party is gathering. No intersection between party and gathering. Then, first one, some committees can be summary. And some committees can be summary means, tell me whether this committee and summary can be extended like this or not. Yes. And next one, some party can be committee. Some party and committee. Now tell me whether I can able to write party like this or not. Yes. And so what is your answer? Both 1 and 2. Both 1 and 2, that is given in choice 5, 83. Then 84. And no market is home. No market is home means no intersection between market and a home. No market is home, and only a few home or room. Only some of the home or room, but not all. Only some home or room, but not all. Only a few room or vents. Only some of the rooms are vents, but not all. Some home are vents. Home is here, vents is here, that is false. Some market can never be room. Some market can never be room. As of now it is true. To make this one false, I need to draw all market are rooms. This entire market must be a part of this room. Tell me, is it possible or not? Yes. And alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. And so what is your answer? Neither one nor two, choice 4, question number 84. Then coming to this 85, all these balls are garden. Now this entire balls is a part of what? Entire ball is a part of garden. And all these garden are trade. This entire garden is trade. And only a few trade are pump. Some trade are pump, but not all. Then first one, some balls are pumps, that is false. Some garden can be pump. Garden and pump can be intersected like this or not? Pump and garden can be intersected. And so what is your answer? Only 2 follows. Only 2, that is choice 2, question number 85. Some balls are, sorry. Now some of the balls are garden. No, some balls are garden. Here ball is here, garden is here. And this all garden is trade. And only a few trade are pump. Only some of the trade are pump, but not all. Isn't it? Then first one, some balls are pump. Ball is here, pump is here, no intersection. Some garden can be pump. Garden and pump. Now I can able to write garden like this. That is definitely true. And so what is your answer? Only 2 follows. That is question number 85. Then 86 onward, they are based on sequence. Now in this sequence, if all the consonants are replaced by its next letter, then how many alphabets are repeated in the new arrangement? Now, all these consonants, now, and the K will become L. And K will be L, isn't it? K is L, Y is Z, and R, S, C, D, M, N, and next one. Now this is a beta, right? Beta. And L, M, and U, V, W, Q, R, and P, Q, and S, and next one, S, T, W, X, and T, U, G, H. Now tell me how many letters are repeated. Is there any letter that is repeated here? L is here, and Z, and next one S, and D. D repeated once or not? N, and next to N, M, and W, and W is not repeated. R, now R is here, and R, next one Q is here. R not repeated, and Q not repeated, and next one T, and next X, and do we have X at this place? No. And next one I is not repeated, and next one O, now U is. Now U is here, and U is here as well. Hence, U is the letter that is repeated twice, that is choice 2. Now for this one, if you observe here, all these consonants were changed to the next letter. Is there any letter that is repeated more than once? All these consonants are changed to the next letter, isn't it? That means all these consonants will be changed to the next letter. And in these consonants, among these consonants, is there any consonant that is repeated twice? No. Hence, consonants cannot be repeated. Follow here. Main sequence lo consonant untadi emaipoli, next letter ki shift ayipoli. Next letter ki shift avutunnappudu emautundi? Ikkada edaina consonant untene adi repeat avutundi. Ledu common ga lekapothe it won't be repeated. Then, and so what is the only letter that can be repeated? Vowel can be repeated. Now here, among this one, what is a vowel? U is a vowel. And here, U is a letter. And so only vowel can be repeated twice. Yes? Why? Vowels. Because vowels are not changing, right? We are taking only the consonants. Only the consonants will be replaced by the next letter, but not the vowels. And next coming to 87. And how many symbols are there? The question is about a symbol, and each of which is immediately preceded by consonant and but not followed by vowel. Hence consonant and symbol should be there, but it should not be followed by a vowel. Now directly let us start with the symbol. This symbol is not preceded by consonant. Symbol preceded by consonant, and at the same time symbol preceded by consonant, and it is not followed by vowel. Isn't it? Now here in this one, this is a symbol preceded by consonant, and it is followed by Y. Y is a consonant. And next one, symbol. Now this symbol consonant, and it is preceded. Now this one. Now copyright is a symbol preceded by consonant and followed by C. C is not a vowel. And so how many are there as of now? There are 2. Next one, if you take this one, it is followed by a vowel. Now this one, it is not followed by a vowel, isn't it? And next one, symbol, consonant. Now this symbol is again not followed by this one. And as of now, we have 4. And next one, this one, and symbol preceded by this one, consonant and for not followed by vowel. And as of now, how many? 5. More than 4, choice 5, question number 87. Then 88, 4 out of the following means odd one out. E, R, and. Now E, R, and means E and R. How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. R and N. 1, 2, minus 2, plus 4, minus 2. C, U, M. C and U. 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. And U and M, minus 2. L and hash. Now between L and hash, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. Hash and V, minus 2 once again. S, O, and W. S and O, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. And O and W, it is minus 2. And here P and W. P and W, how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 4. W and percentage, 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Except choice 5. And in the remaining terms, the difference between the elements is 4 and 2. Here it is 4 and 3, that is choice 5, 88. Then 89, how many such letters are there? Each of which is immediately preceded and immediately followed by symbol. And symbol must be in the alternate places. In between, there should be a letter. Now tell me how many are there of such category? Now symbol and symbol in the alternate places. This symbol cannot be taken. Symbol were not in the alternate places. Now here also symbol. Now here symbol and symbol were there. Now it is what? It is a letter. Isn't it? Letter, symbol, and a symbol. Then next one. And that's it. And so many are there? There is only one, that is choice 1, question number 89. And 19. Which of the following element is 10th to the right of 18th from the right? Now 10th right and 18th right. Right and right means same direction, we need to subtract. 18 minus 10, 8. 8th from the right hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes is your answer, choice for question number 90. Then 91 onwards, they are based on directions here. P is to the north of Q. Now this is P, which is to the north of Q. And S is to the east of P. S is to the east of P. P who is to the south of W. And P is to the south of W. P is to the south of W means W is to the north of P. And T is to the west of P. Now this is T, which is to the west of P. Then who among us the following is towards south of W and north of Q? South of W and north of Q. Tell me who is that one? P. South of W and north of Q, that is P. Choice 1, question number 91. And 92, W is in which direction with respect to T? And from T, north and east to northeast. Northeast, that is choice 2, question number 92. Then 93, now it is based on word formation. And if it is possible to make only one meaningful word with 2, 4, 6, and 7. 2, 4, 6, and 7. What are the letters we have? N, L, T, E. Now with the help of these 4 letters, tell me what is the word that can be formed? L, E, N, T, lent. Isn't it? Lent is the word we have. And second letter of the word from the right hand side is what? N. N, that is given in choice 2, question number 93. The next one, 94. Now 4 out of the following means odd one out. Now A, D, and G. A and D, the difference is how much? Plus 3. D and G is again the difference is plus 3. And next one, P, S, and V. Q, R, S plus 3. T, U, V plus 3. Now here M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Now here E, F, G, only 2 is the difference. Here the difference is plus 3. K and N plus 3, N and Q plus, except choice 4. And in the remaining, difference is plus 3 plus 3. Here it is 2 and 3, choice 4 is odd one, 94. Then 95, the word produce. P-R-O-D-U-C-E. P-R-O-D-U-C-E, produce. Now in this, how many pairs of letters have the same number of letters between them? That means pairs of letters. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. R, S, T, U. R and U, there are 2 letters in between. R, S, T, U, V, W. O, P, Q, R, S. D, E, F, G, that's it. Left to right, there is only one pair. And again in the reverse, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. C, D, E, F, G, H. U, V, W, X, Y. D, E, F, G. Next one O, P, Q, R. And so how many we have? There is only one such pair. And what is your answer? Choice 3, question number 95. Then 96 to 100. Now here it is based on 7 friends A, B, C, D, E, F and G who visit an eye doctor every week. However, each one goes on a different day starting from Monday. Now Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And so how many days we have? 7 days. Now these 7 persons attended on these 7 different days. Then coming to condition number 1, 7 persons on these 7 different days. And A visits the doctor on Monday. A is on Monday. And D's turn to visit the doctor comes at the very last. Now D is at the last. And next one. And only 4 persons between visit the doctor before C. Before C there must be exactly 4 people. And next one, G visits the doctor after C. G will be here. And B's turn comes after E. B is after E and before F. And the order is E, B, F and E, B and F is this order. Done with this? E, B and F. Then next one, who visits the doctor on Tuesday? That is E, choice 1. 97. How many persons visit the doctor before E? There is only one, choice 2. 98. Who visits the doctor on Saturday? That is G, choice 3. And 99. And on which day does F visit the doctor? F visits the doctor on Thursday, choice 4. And 100. 4 out of the following means odd one out. A and E are adjacent. G and D are adjacent. B and F are adjacent. C and E. Now there are 2 persons in between. Choice 4 is the odd one. Clear? Now this is about question numbers 96 to 100. Is anything left over in this paper? Number series. Question numbers please. 46 and 46 to 50. Number series. Now in this 46 in each of the given. Now there is a wrong number here. We need to identify the wrong number. 161 and 170. Now if you observe here, from 440 to 720, the number has not at least doubled. Hence it does not come under product or combination. It must be under difference. Then what is the difference between these two? 9 is the difference. Next 170 and 188, the difference is 18. 9 and 18 can be written as 9 into 1, 9 into 2. And next one 188 and 224. Now the difference is so much 36. 9 into 2, 18. 18 into 2, 36. Next one 36 into 2, what should be the number? 72. Now 72 and 224 plus 72 is so much? That will be 296. 295 is the wrong number. 296 is the correct number. Then again 72 into 2, 144. 296 plus 144, that is 440. And next one 288. And 144 into 2, 288 is the answer. And so what is the wrong number we have? 295. That is choice 3, question number 46. 9 into 2, 18 into 2, 36 into 2, 72, 144 and so on. Then coming to the next one. Numbers are increasing and decreasing. Now 24 and 70. 24 and 70, tell me how to express this one. 24 and 70. Then if you find the difference. Difference is it possible here? Now 24 and 70. 24 into how much? Into 3, 72 minus 2. And 70 and 36. 70 divided by 2, 35. 35 plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Next one 36 into 3 is how much? 108. Minus 2, 106. 106 divided by 2 is how much? 50 and 58. 106 divided by 2, 58. Isn't it? 58 or 53? 53. And now 53. Now here the difference is how much? Plus 2. And next one 55 and divided by into 3. 55 into 3, 165 minus 2. And next one, what is the wrong number we have? Into 3 divided by 2 into 2 plus 1. Into 3 minus 2 and into 2 plus 1 is the sequence. 106 divided by 2. 53 plus 1, 54. Now if it is 54, now 54 into 3 is how much? and 54 into 3, 162, minus 2, 160. And again 160 divided by 2 plus 1. And so what is the wrong number? 55. And the correct number is 54. Choice 5 is the odd one. Clear? Into 3 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Into 3 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1 and so on. And so choice 5 is the odd one, 47. Then 48, 156 and 237. Now tell me what is the difference between these two? Now the difference is how much? 81 between these two. And 237 and 301. What is the difference we have? 64. Isn't it? 81 can be written as 9 square, 8 square. And 301 and 349, the difference is how much? 48 is the difference. 81, 64, 48. And see here, 9 square, 8 square, here the number must be 7 square. 7 square, 49 when added, the number will be 350. Now 350 is there. Next one plus 36. 350 plus 36, 386. And next one plus 25 and plus 16 and so on. And the wrong number 349, correct number 350. Choice 3 is the odd one, question number 48. Then 49, numbers starting with 31 increased up to 1485. Numbers are increasing at a very fast rate, hence it must be under product or combination. Now 31 into 0.5 is how much? 15.5 minus 0.5 is 15. 15 into 1 minus 1. And 14 into 2 minus 2. Now 26. Now 0.5, 1, 2. 26 into how much? 26 into 3. 26 into 3, what is the difference we have? 26 into 3 is 78 minus 3. Isn't it? And next one 75 into 4. 75 into 4 is how much? And 300 minus 4. Now here into 5 minus 5. Now into 5 minus 5, 296 into 5 is how much? 14 and 14, 80 minus 5, the number must be 1475. Isn't it? And here 1475 is the correct number and 1485 is the wrong number. Choice 1, question number 49. The logic is into 0.5 minus 0.5, into 1 minus 1, into 2 minus 2 and so on. And next one, question number 15. 238 and 245. What is the difference we have? 7. Now the difference between these two is 7. 45 and 56, the difference is 11. And 56 and 69, the difference is 13. 7, 11, 13. Next one, the numbers are prime numbers. And next prime number must be 17. Now 17, the number is 286. Next one is how much? 19. 286 plus 19, 305. Next one, 23. And the number must be 328. 327 is the wrong number, 328 is the correct number. And so choice 4, question number 50. Done with this? Now this is about paper number 309.